Surgent Interactive is the new line of short, immersive, game-based CPE courses. Learn and test your skills while having fun through hands-on play, applying your knowledge of tax law, auditing principles, and business development while working through real-world scenarios. Try the Max the Tax series of games, where you'll analyze tax returns with items flagged for review, determine whether tax deductions are accurate and consistent with the latest tax regulations, and finalize a tax return to a big client's satisfaction. With our Surging Auditor series, you'll audit a warehouse full of inventory, demonstrate professional skepticism assessing audit evidence, and ensure you're meeting firm-mandated ethical requirements. In our Business Development collection, you'll demonstrate best practices while networking organizations, obtaining referral sources, and using real-world time management strategies to cut down on distractions and maximize productivity. Ask the right questions, evaluate documentation provided, and apply the knowledge you have in tax, auditing, and business development. Plus, each game awards CPE credit upon successful completion. Ignite your learning with fun, interactive games from Surgent Interactive. Find them in the course catalog today.